Want to know why maximizing profit might actually ruin your business? Spoiler alert, it's not about the money, it's about the value. Welcome back to Project Accounting. In today's video, let's break the biggest myth in business. Maximizing profit is not the same as maximizing value. In fact, chasing profit might be costing you billions in the long run. Finance teaches that managers' real and primary goal of the firm should be is to maximize the wealth of the firm's owners, the stockholders. Isn't that the same as profit? Nope, and that's exactly where most people and some managers go wrong. Here's the most common misconception. If we maximize profits, we're doing a great job. Well, not quite. Let me show you three reasons why that thinking falls flat. 1. Timing matters. A project that makes less money today but more tomorrow could be far better in the long run. Why? Because of the time value of money. A peso today is worth more than a peso next year. For example, a short-term profit increase may hurt long-term value, like cutting research and development costs. 2. Profits is not the same as cash flow. You can show a profit on paper and still have no cash to pay your bills. You can pay your employees with earnings per share. You should take note that profits can be manipulated. Only cash flows can fund dividends and operations. 3. Risk gets ignored. What if your profit comes from a super risky bet? Investors don't like surprises. Higher risk is equal to lower stock price unless compensated with higher return. Profit does not account for volatility. Investors are risk averse. Now that we've cleared that up, here's the real deal. The goal is to maximize shareholders' wealth. That is, increase the firm's stock price over the long term. In short, the long-term value you create is what drives real success, not flashy profits or stock price spikes. But wait, it's not just about what the stock market thinks your business is worth. It's about the intrinsic value. What is this intrinsic value and how it is different from a market price? Intrinsic value is the real value based on all known information and smart forecasting, while market price is what investors think your stock is worth right now based on the limited or even wrong information. Actual stock prices are easy to determine. They can be found on the internet and are published in newspapers every day. However, intrinsic values are estimates, and different analysts with different data and different views about the future form different estimates of a stock's intrinsic value. A good example of the difference of these two is when investors thought Enron was a money printing machine, but inside it was a house of cards. The market price was way off from the real value, and the investors paid that price. Long-term thinking is everything. Some managers fall into the trap of chasing quick wins, boosting profits this quarter just to get a fat bonus. But real leaders think in decades, not quarters. They focus on strategies that create sustainable cash flows and reduce long-term risk. To make this work, companies need strong corporate governance. That means an independent board, transparent reporting, and performance-based executive compensation. If a CEO's bonus is based only on this year's earnings, guess what? They'll do anything to boost that number, even if that hurts the company next year. So let's recap the biggest mistakes students and managers make. Believing profit is equal to value, ignoring cash flows, overlooking risk, and chasing market price instead of building intrinsic value. These are not just academic mistakes, they are what caused massive scandals and billion peso losses. So next time someone says, just maximize profits, you'll know better. Like this video if you learned something new, subscribe for more business and finance wisdom every week, and share this with someone who still thinks profit is everything. This is Project Accounting, reminding you that the real goal is to create value, build trust, manage risk, and think long term. That's what great companies and great managers do. See you in the next video.